This is a little snippet to show some of the workings behind my video for the song, Lights Out by Catapus. After storyboarding and planning what each background would look like with the action that would take place against it, the next step was to shoot reference footage. Once that was edited into place, the rotoscoping began.
Drawing.
As you can see, I got pretty fast at the whole process. Just kidding. This is sped up. It takes longer than this.
Capture.
Usually I'd prefer to photograph each page rather than scan. That way you keep the texture, but in this case we're just using very thin lines and there'll be plenty of texture in other stages.
Paint.
For my character color I painted on cells. Like in traditional cell animation, but in a much shonkier way than your Disney or Warner Brothers cartoons would have used them.
Capture.
Here, I'm photographing each frame of color to stick underneath the lines I scanned in earlier. Originally I was going to create everything in camera by painting each frame directly onto different levels of glass. But this was a massive ball ache to light. Especially for shots where the camera need to move.
Background.
In this case, I'm using a section from the Eclipse clip that I made. Most backgrounds were just straightforward paintings onto textures of newspaper and cardboard. Each base texture is relevant to the events in each shot, designed to add to the constant media battering that the main character has to navigate. And there we have a finished shot with everything jammed together. That's it. Peasy. And then comes the boring part.
Clean up.
If I've run out of cells, then all the paint needs cleaning off and drying before starting to paint the next shot. Then have a biscuit and start again. Big ups your bad selves.